guys, we're going to show you two different methods on how to make this today. First method is using our stand mixer. We don't have a hand mixer, so we're going to use this. And the second method is Jason's going to use his muscles and shake it up in a shaker bottle. So we'll see how it goes. We're going to use the same amount. So we'll start off with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of sugar because we like it sweeter, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. Starting now.
Ready?
Set, go. Dude, I'm basically using my muscles to do this too.
Faster.
Dude, my arm's tired.
That's not frothy. Ooh, look at that. Tastes good. We have 30 seconds. Just use the same mixer perfect.
That's pretty thick.
That's not thick enough. I think I've had a lot of practice doing this. Okay, Google, stop.
After 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. I think we're gonna need another 5 minutes.
So there was not enough for my giant stand mixer to get it going, and I had to switch to a hand whisk, which I'd say this is pretty good considering it was my muscles against Jason's muscles for 5 minutes. Since there's more volume now, I'm going to turn on the stand mixer to see how frothy and how thick I can get it.
No, I'm gonna do this for another 5 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Alright, 5 minutes. Starting now.
There we go. Ooh. We're ready to serve.
Dude, mine looks thick.
Let's take this outside.
So what do you think? 5 minutes later, I'm all done. Angie like barely drank hers. This is why she never wants to share a boba with me.
Seriously.
I drink it too fast.
In conclusion, Jason was able to use the blender bottle to whip up the coffee into a really nice and thick consistency, and it only took him about 7 minutes. I, on the other hand, needed to use my hand whisk to get the coffee going before using my stand mixer because there just wasn't enough coffee to begin with. But once I started using the stand mixer, it whipped up the coffee into a much thicker and velvetier consistency. They both tasted exactly the same. A hand mixer would actually be ideal. If you've made this at home before, let us know in the comments down below what method you used and how it turned out. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.